Okay, so funny story. I was just about to do an update of the chicken coop and I found an old video that I did of upgrading this corner into my work area that I forgot to do a video about and I forgot to finish it. So, hi guys, April here. Just gonna do a little quick video. So this space here where my tree is currently, hi Abby, wave hi. Say hi to everybody with your no pants on. So this little space here was my daughter's play area right here and along here. And we moved everything upstairs for Christmas permanently for her room to make space for the tree. However, the tree is coming down now and this new space right here is going to be my new work area where I have a permanent place that I can set up for crochet and anything else that I decide that I'm going to craft on videos. So that's it. So I just want to do this quick little vlog to show you the before and after. This is my mess that just came out from under the tree. Yes, I know. It all has to go away. Hi, kitty. All right. I'll show you an after once it's all done. There we go, all done. So this is going to be my new work area. Desk should go right about there, and it just arrived. So next portion of the video should be all set up. This is my current workstation. So this is where I do most of my work, at home work. So this is of course my laptop. Right here is where I usually do most of my crocheting and filming my crocheting. Not that I've done any filming recently. That's my daughter's laptop, doesn't belong there. Crochet hooks, little Easter basket I made for her. This is where I keep my camera equipment, various doodads for filming. Tripod is hidden right there. And this is my wool wall, which I absolutely love. So as you can see, the bottom half has been overtaken by my little one. And yeah, so that is my upgraded workstation. Yay! So while I'm recording, I just want to show you a couple of projects I'm working on right now. This is an Afghan. I'm making two of them actually. I have two of them that are exactly the same progress. This is Whipple Stitch. Absolutely love it. I wanted something for the back of my sofas to match my carpet and couldn't find anything, so I just figured I'd make it. So this is, again, Whipple Stitch. Very cool. I absolutely love it, but it is really, really, really boring because I'm doing two of them and they're just taking forever. So I do little side projects just to not have to do this for a little while. I've been working on it for a few months now. So anyway, that's one of my projects. And then this little doozy, which is the Broomstick Stitch. I have a niece who's about to have a baby boy, so I'm making her a little baby blanket for her. So this is the Broomstick Stitch, which I absolutely hate. For anybody who's done this, you need to use a knitting needle like that, and it's very awkward and cumbersome, and I don't like it. But it passes the time and gets me away from doing my couch. And then this is the last one that I'm working on. So this one is, this one's taken me quite some time. So it's in various stages of undone. There's actually like all the way down to the center part. So these are the original squares. If you're interested in this pattern, it's a very pretty pattern. Check out Bella Coco. I'll try to remember to put the link in the description below. That's where I got this from. Absolutely beautiful. But I'm using Baby Love wool, which is a very, very fine wool. And so it makes the squares quite small. So what I did was I did a couple rows of double crochet just to make a more solid square around the outer edges. And then I will piece all these together, and it is going to be an Afghan for my mom's birthday. So this is the one that I'm working on pretty much full time right now because I'm on a deadline. I only have a couple more weeks till her birthday to get this one finished. And if I can remember, I will post an updated picture of this when it's done. Again, Bella Coco is where you'll find this pattern. It's absolutely lovely. I love it. And yeah, so I'll try to remember to put a link. And now dinner time. So for dinner tonight, I'm having, I guess you could call it chicken casserole. Just gonna take the lid off. Ooh, look at that. So that is just chicken breast, rice, 1 can of cream of celery soup, 1 can cream of chicken soup, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, a little bit of garlic, and a little bit of poultry seasoning. And that is it. I'm going to throw some vegetables on when it's a little closer to done. I'll put some frozen vegetables in there, and that's it. Chicken casserole for dinner. And for dessert, I have this little guy who I'm still working on. So that is just an apple mixture for dessert. It's got to thicken up a bit. Here, I'm going to, oh, my lighting's not good here. Over here, I'm going to use these cinnamon rolls. So I'll pop these open and squish them down inside here and form like a crust. I'll bake them for about, 10 minutes or so. Then I'll put the apple filling in there and toss them in the oven. And we will be having apple cinnamon cups for dessert after dinner. So that's dinner on the menu tonight. And chicken coop coming up. Okay, so here we are at the chicken coop. Hubby was working on it a little bit today. I'm not sure how good the lighting's going to be. Oh, it's not too bad. So we have the roof in. Oh, a little gappy. I think he'll fix that though when he gets home. He's currently at Home Depot to pick up insulation and shingles to shingle the roof. And so we finally have the roof up and in place. That's pretty much all we have updated so far for the coop. We haven't really been able to do a lot for it recently, but at least the roof is up. I assume he's going to seal that. So hopefully within the next week or so, hopefully 2 weeks, I might have some baby chickens. We'll see. But he's full force working on it this week because of COVID, obviously. Nothing better to do, so gonna work on the coop. So while I'm taping, I just wanted to show you something that I noticed here. My daughter and I were in here playing the other day. She was just playing house in here. Anyway, I want to show you the water damage that we got from this winter. I'm assuming that's water damage, but we had a little bit in the roof, in the ceiling last year. See how it's coming down there? And we just taped it up because it was dangling down and I didn't want it to get any worse. So apparently now the bowler needs to be repainted. So I'd like to do that this year, and depending on how much more time we're going to be off work because of COVID, we may get to it in the next month or so. Oh, look, men at work. Yay! It looks like I'm getting tar paper and shingles today. I don't know if this is going to be the start of a new video or the end of the current one I'm working on. We'll see. So anyway, work, work, work. Abby, say hi. Hi. No, hi to me. Hi to me. Shingles are up. I've been assured that they'll lay down flatter. They're just frozen or something apparently right now, so they're supposed to flatten. Let's hope. I'll leave that up to the boys, I guess. On the inside, where are we at?
Okay, that way, I gotta come back and nail it down, fix it. It'll get fixed one time,
woo!
And it'll be fixed.
So that is my throw together update video. Sorry, it's a little mixed match. There's a little bit of everything in it, but I didn't have a whole lot of any one thing to post this time, so I just figured I'd just update it all at one time. So that's it. Hope everybody's keeping safe, staying at a safe social distance. And we don't have that problem out here. As you can see, we have no neighbors besides the odd vehicle that drives by, but that's it. So we're just out vegging in the yard, passing the time while the boys work on the coop for a little while. And that's it. So everybody stay safe, like, subscribe, hit the little notification bell so that you get notified whenever I update a video. That's it. So ciao for now. Bye.